Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Utiofon. In today's video I want to show you how I make spaghetti. So this is going to be my ingredient which I'm going to be using. Here I have my tomato. This is my tomato. I have my green bell pepper, the red bell pepper and the yellow bell pepper. So here I have my tin tomato. That's tomato paste. Here I have my pepper. I have my spring onion. I have onion here. I have a nut cube. I have my garlic. So here I have my spaghetti. This is what I'm going to be using. So if you are new in my channel, you are most welcome. If you know you've not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Share this video to help someone. Let's begin with the cooking. So here I have put water in my pot. So we are going to add salt. Now put your spaghetti. Just add little oil. If you have olive oil, you can add olive oil. So you have to make sure you always push it into the water so that it will not get burned. Then we'll come back to it. So guys, after we finish cooking our spaghetti, now I'm going to start making the food now. So just add oil inside your pot. Then we add onion. Add garlic. Pepper. Spring onion. So stir all together. So right now I'm going to add my tomato. So I'll add my bell pepper. So right now I'm going to add my tomato paste. So mix all together. So here I'm going to add my seasoning. Nut cube. Add small salt. So I'm gonna let it cook for about 2 minutes, then we will come back to it. So after 2 minutes, so I have my gizzard here that I cooked my gizzard already, so I'm just going to mix it together. So we are going to check how it's cooking now. So right now I'm going to add my spaghetti. So make sure you mix everything together. So we are going to cover it for another 2 minutes. So we are going to check it. So now I'm going to add my basil leaves. So guys, my spaghetti is ready. As you can see, it's very easy to make, so you can try it this way. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. So thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. I hope this is helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe, share this video to help someone. If you are new in this channel, you are most welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by, and don't forget to subscribe also. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Bye.